Hello everyone, Andy here, hope you're well. Now I'm just going to get very quickly into this video because I've just come home from work and I wanted to be one of the first people to hopefully show you and get on YouTube with this latest information on the new DJI Osmo Sport. So I've received a picture and someone sent me a link to some information on a website. It looks sort of maybe Japanese website. I've had to do a translate on there to try and get some of the details off it. This is obviously possible details, it's not official, but it's what's rumoured and the patent that went with it. So let's have a quick look at this possible new DJI Osmo Sport sort of sports action camera to compete against the likes of GoPro. Okay, so these rumoured specs on this new Osmo Sport is a 12 megapixel camera. It says it's an ANBA H2 image processor. FOV, it's 145 and the f point is 2.8, so actually that's quite low. Shutter speed is 1/8000th to 120. Video specifications, it says it's going to be doing 4K at 60 frames a second and 8 times slow motion. That's very cool, and hopefully that is something that will come with. And HDR and automatic time-lapse photography, which things like the GoPro Hero 7 actually already has. Shooting modes, it says it's going to have single, AEB, continuous shooting, countdown shooting, multiple continuous shooting, and interval shooting. Also on this site it says the author also found very interesting information by searching the patent database, and Nikon's Japanese designer fought for the new design. This is the legendary Danny motion camera, supposedly Dai Zhang plus Nikon. And as well below we've got some imagery, some graphics, sort of CAD drawings of what looks like maybe the concept of what was put forward for the patent, and a final 3D visual or photography of the new Osmo Sport, which has a watermark over it of bit.ly/OsmoSport. So I'm not too sure what that is, but it's obviously going to be called Osmo Sport. And plus a few pictures of what looks like could have been an early prototype of this new product as well. Okay, everyone, I'm going to leave the video there. Hopefully we actually do get to see this official on the 15th of May via DJI themselves. But I thought I'd just get this out there, build up some excitement, and hopefully this means you're one of the first people to see these sneak peeks of the new possible tech coming from DJI. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe for future videos, and click the bell icon to keep up to date with all the future videos, especially when we're coming up with new tech like this. It's great to be here. If you like this video and the fact I've been able to get hold of this information, please give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Have a good weekend. See you all again soon. Bye.